Hi, my name is Wayne Mortensen. I'm a bankruptcy attorney here in Tucson, Arizona. I want to talk to you about a trend that I've seen with the trustees recently in bankruptcy court, where they've been looking more closely at property held for another person. You know, when you file bankruptcy, sometimes people will have what's called a poor man's will, and that's where your mother or your father will actually put their home in your name, okay? There has long been a trend that the trustees don't go after that property because it's been able to be proved that, you know, the client didn't pay for the property, so on and so forth. However, just recently, I've noticed that a couple of the trustees in Tucson have been making more overtures towards going after that property or looking at that issue. One thing you need to realize is that whether or not, you know, when you file a bankruptcy, if the property is in your name, it's your property, okay? If it's truly a poor man's will and the intent is to give that property anyway, I think that creates a real problem for you in bankruptcy court. You know, attorneys have been pretty cavalier about how they handle those situations. I personally, if you had a home in your name that you didn't feel was your home, I would probably advise you in the direction of a Chapter 13 to protect that property. I know there are attorneys out there that won't push you in that direction. They'll say, let's take our chances in a Chapter 7. That's pretty risky. And the reason why that's risky is if that trustee takes that to court and he wins on that argument, guess what? Dad is moving out of the house, and I don't think that's what Dad would have wanted. So, you know, when you go to file bankruptcy, it's really important to get a couple of different opinions. My name's Wayne Mortensen. I've been filing bankruptcies here in Tucson for the last 19 years. I've done thousands of cases. I've done thousands of Chapter 7s, thousands of Chapter 13s. I have a wealth of experience. I'd love to be able to share with you and advise you on bankruptcy. I look forward to seeing you in the office. Thank you very much.